If you find yourself banned from a subreddit on Reddit and believe the ban was unwarranted, you can appeal the decision. Here is a straightforward guide to help you through the process. Step 1. Review the ban message. Check the notification you received regarding your ban. It often includes the reason for the ban and the subreddit rules you may have violated. Understanding these details is crucial for your appeal. Step 2. Gather evidence. Collect any relevant information that supports your case. This may include screenshots of your post or comments, the context of the situation, and any interactions with moderators. Having clear evidence will strengthen your appeal. Step 3. Contact the moderators. Visit the subreddit where you were banned and look for the Message the Moderators link, usually found in the sidebar. Use this feature to send a polite and concise message explaining why you believe the ban should be lifted. Step 4. Be respectful and patient. When crafting your message, maintain a respectful tone. Avoid being confrontational or aggressive, as this can hurt your chances of a successful appeal. After sending your message, be patient and give the moderators time to respond. Step 5. Follow up if necessary. If you haven't received a response after a reasonable amount of time, typically a week, consider sending a polite follow-up message. Reiterate your request and express your willingness to comply with subreddit rules moving forward. By following these steps, you can effectively appeal a ban on Reddit. Remember to stay respectful and patient throughout the process. Good luck!